Hello everyone, I'm Dan and welcome to the Valley and Peak YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be taking a quick look at the Zpacks Duplex. We'll have a quick tutorial on how to pitch the tent and then I'll go through the specs of the Duplex. Now I have been using the X-Mid Pro 2 for a number of nights now and I am really impressed with that tent. So it'll be really interesting to see how the Zpacks Duplex compares to the Pro 2. So I will do a follow-up video comparing the two and I will give you my honest thoughts after I've used the Duplex for a number of nights. So we'll go into pitching the Duplex. So the one feature I do like about this tent, it gives you the ability to peg the whole tent out first and then insert the trekking poles. So that's a handy feature when it is a little bit windy. You can secure the tent before you erect it. So my trekking poles are set at 120 centimeters. This will give you the optimum height and stability for the tent. So that's the Duplex pretty much set up. It's quite a simple process. What I'll do now is I'll just go around the tent and just tighten everything up, tidy it up a little bit, and then we'll have a look inside. So that's the Zpacks Duplex setup. You can have the vestibule doors two ways. You can either open one door, so you've still got some shelter if you want to use your stove, or if the weather's really nice or you want decent airflow through the tent, you can open the other side too. That gives the tent, that makes the tent really flexible, especially when the weather is really warm or you just want to vent the tent. So I'm going to go over the specs of the tent and also a little introduction as to what this tent is designed for and who it's designed for. So the Duplex is a lightweight 2-person trekking pole tent designed for ultralight backpackers. Weighing around 507 grams, it's made of a durable Dyneema fabric, making it both waterproof and highly resistant to wear and tear. The tent features a minimalist design with a spacious interior, offering ample room for 2 people and their gear. It uses trekking poles for support, which reduces the weight and pack size of the tent. So the Duplex is known for its excellent ventilation, dual entry points and large vestibules, making it ideal for those looking to minimise weight without compromising on the comfort. So the exterior dimensions of the Duplex, it has a peak height of 122 centimetres with a ridgeline width of 135 centimetres. The width, including the 2 vestibules, is 236 centimetres with a vestibule depth from the floor at 61 centimetres on each side, with the overall length coming in at 254 centimetres. The interior dimensions of the tent, it has a peak height of 122 centimetres and a width of the floor is 114 centimetres long. The floor length is 2.3 metres long and has a floor area of 28.1 square feet. The zipper entry height of the doors is set at 91 centimetres, depending on the height of the trekking poles. So in summary, the Zpacks Duplex tent is perfect for ultralight backpackers or through hikers seeking a lightweight, water resistant and spacious shelter for extended outdoor trips. I particularly like the vestibules. I find them really flexible, as you can open both ends. I think that's a really nice feature. One thing to be aware of is the actual closing of the doors. It's instead of a zip, this is purely to save on weight. You just simply clip the 2 doors at the bottom. Now this isn't for everyone, and if you do experience high winds with heavy rain, there can be a tendency for the rain to get underneath the tent. So that is something to be aware of. To avoid that, you can simply just lower your trekking poles ever so slightly so the fly sheet is closer to the ground. Another thing to be mindful of as well is the inner door. Once you zip that all the way, it can have a tendency to fall outwards onto the floor. So just be wary if the floor is wet or muddy, just to have the net come in on itself. But apart from that, I think it's an excellent tent, super lightweight, perfect for solo or 2 people through hiking or backpacking, or simply for your wild camping. So like I said before, I'll be comparing this tent to the X-Mid Pro 2. The next video I will do with a Duplex will be out on a wild camp, and I do plan to use it on a few through hikes next year when the weather does improve a little bit. So thank you so much for joining me on this short video of the Zpacks Duplex. If you have used the tent before, I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll be sure to do a follow-up video of this tent. So thank you very much for watching. I've been Dan at Valiant Peak, and I'll see you on the next video.